Hello and welcome to week 8 of your biology course. I apologize that this video is coming out a day later than it should have. Things have been a little crazy this week. So everything though has been posted in your weekly lesson so you guys can get a jump start. Hopefully you did on Monday. So let's go into weekly lessons and scroll down to week 8, chapter 9, where we're discussing the digestive system this week. At the very top, we have our checklist. We'll go through each one of these items, but I also wanted to remind you that you should join our synchronous Zoom session on Wednesday, October 21st at 2 p.m. We do have some visible body stuff that we are going to do this week, so if you do have any trouble using visible body, please contact me. But the first thing I want you to do is to watch our Chapter 9 Digestive System video lectures. You can click on that link. It opens up YouTube, and your playlist will pop up on the right hand side in order to go through and watch each of the section videos. Also, something you may have noticed is that section 9.6 is not listed here. I decided to take out that section on nutrition because most of you in your programs are going to go on to have a specific class on nutrition. So I thought to lighten the load a little bit and cut that part out. So moving forward from there, down here we have your Smart Book assignment, Chapter 9 on the digestive system. And then you have your knowledge check quizzes as usual. Now you may have noticed I don't have section 9.6 on here. Most of you are going to continue on to take a nutrition course. So I decided to lighten our load for this course and only cover these 5 sections. So the other thing we're going to incorporate this week is visible body once again. I have the link for you to log in here, or if you for some reason missed creating your account back in week 3, you can follow these steps in order to do that and click this link in order to add our course. Once you do that, you can go ahead and do the modules. So I am just going to click out of here. Let me go. So once you log in, you are going to see your course listed. You'll only have this one, Human Biology Fall 2020 AHS 120. And you want to click into the Week 8 Digestive System folder. Here you're going to see the PDF that is your assignment, which is also on Blackboard. It is attached here. So it's up to you where you want to download that from. And then what you want to do first in order to fill out that PDF after you've opened it is click into those modules for the digestive system. Sorry about that. And you're going to go through these different modules in order to answer the questions for your digestive system PDF. So you would just click on here. Okay, I for some reason am having difficulty opening this up. So if the same thing happens to you, I'm kind of glad this happened so I can walk you through. If you look up here, it says you have a source of the Human Anatomy Atlas. So what you're going to do is click on My Apps down here, and you could click on Human Anatomy Atlas. Okay, I'm having some issues with this, and so what I'm going to do is reach out to Visible Body and see what the issue is. But if you have downloaded the app or can open up this atlas, go ahead and do that, and I'm going to show you how to get to those structures next. Okay, so once you get your atlas opened up, you are going to see these tabs up at the top here, and you want to click on the one that says Systems. And then you are going to scroll down to where it says Digestive Systems. Okay, so here we are where it says Digestive System Views. You are going to click on the 1 here and also the 2. So I'm going to tap the 1 and it'll bring up that structure. And then as you flip through, you are going to look for the different structures that are listed in your PDF. You can tap or click on the structure. So let's say I'm going to click right here, and then to find out more information you can click on the book here and it'll tell you this is the temporalis muscle and all the information about it. So that's not one of the structures that we'll be discussing, but just wanted to show you how to use this. Then when you're ready to go to the second one, you're going to click on the, you can't really see it, it's cut off, but you're going to click on the 4 squares up here. That'll take you back to your systems, and you could click on to lower digestive system. And you can go through and take a look at this. You also have the option of dissecting. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the structure. So you're going to click on this dissect icon here. And then once you tap on the structure or click on the structure, it's going to take it away. Click back on the dissect button. Sorry guys, I don't know how to get rid of this thing. In order to see all the structures. And then you could do the same thing. Just click on a structure, and then you can go back up here to the book, and that'll tell you, hey, that's the ileum. It's the longest segment of the small intestines, and all the other fun information here about it. Once you're done with that, you're going to go back up to this here, and you are going to go to, let me see, we need to see more. And the next one you're going to go to is this number 9 where it says accessory organs. So you can go ahead and view the liver, gallbladder, and the pancreas, and you can manipulate it in the same way we just did with the other ones. There's also this augmented reality. This is what you're going to really use if you have like a tablet or you downloaded the app on your phone. So I can show you really quick how to use that because I have this popped up on my iPad. Okay, so I'm going to tap on this augmented reality, and it's going to turn my camera on. Don't mind the sheets of stickers everywhere. And it's going to create a model right before my eyes, and I can use my fingers in order to make that larger. And you can tap on these structures while they are in front of you. I'm viewing this on my iPad here, and manipulate it that way. When you're done with that, you just click Augmented Reality again, and it brings it back to just the regular white background. So the next thing you are going to do is click on those 4 icons on the left again. It brings you here, and this time, instead of being in the systems area, we are going to go into microanatomy, and you are going to click on this number 13 tongue section, and that'll bring up that structure. You can center it and then tap on the different parts of the tongue in order to see the different papillae. Okay, so pretty cool. And this is a side view. So this here is a papilla, specifically the circumvallate papilla. And if we zoom in on the structure, these little almond-shaped structures are the taste buds. So just wanted you to get a visual of where your taste buds are actually found on your tongue. All right, so that is it for visible body. I lied, that was it for the visible body assignment. But the next thing you want to do are these digestive system quizzes. So you're going to click on that. You have 4 mini quizzes that pop up. So we'll start with number 1, overview, digestive. And I must have so much stuff running here. I don't know if this is going to work on here, so let me switch back. Okay, switched back to my iPad here. So if this is happening to you, but you have the app on your iPhone or Android or a tablet, just go ahead and go to quizzes, and you will see the quizzes listed here. And in your checklist, I have listed the ones that you're going to do. So the first one was that overview digestive system. And you could see that it pulls up a model for me, and then my questions are in the upper right hand side. So it says to select the gallbladder. So I'm going to zoom in and tap the gallbladder, and then I would just click submit here, and it tells me I'm correct. Hit next. It's going to ask me for the next question, the Laryngo Pharynx. So I can move this down, and let's say I have some structures in my way. Let's see. I can tap structures, like let's say I want to get a better view here, and then I can click hide or fade if I'd like. So I'm going to hide. These structures really aren't in my way, but I just wanted to show you that feature. And then what you could do is go through and highlight the structure, and then I happen to be correct. What do you know? So you can do that, and then when you're all done, it's going to tell you your score in the upper right hand picture. So you could just go ahead and take a screenshot for me and email it to me if you're having technical issues. But hopefully by the time you go to complete this quiz, things are working just fine for you. Okay, now back to Blackboard. When you complete your PDF assignment, you're just going to click here where it says Visible Body Digestive System PDF assignment. And you are just going to attach your submission by clicking Browse My Computer and attaching the file, and then you're going to hit Submit. The other thing I wanted to mention is if in the past you had a hard time saving your work on that PDF, here's a PDF to talk about what you can do to save your answers better, or you can maybe take screenshots and send them to me if that's easier, or copy and paste it into a Word document. So there's lots of little tricks and ways you could do this. And the last thing I want to mention is I created this Quizlet deck for you in order to help you study for Chapter 9. So that is it. Let me know if you have any questions.